everyone, this is Katya from Pacifica with Love. Welcome to my channel, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do so, and please support me with a like if you like this video. So today we're gonna cook a fish stew. In our family we really love fish and seafood. Today I'm gonna use salmon for my fish stew, but you can also use tilapia, you can use cod, you can use raw cod, petrale, any fish you like. And what's interesting about today's fish stew, I'm gonna cook it with coconut milk. There's quite a few recipes on the internet, and I've looked a few recipes and I kind of combined them all and adjusted, and this is a really easy recipe. It won't take more than 30 minutes to prepare and cook, and I'm sure you'll love the result. So the ingredients you need for the fish stew are fish. And as you see, I separated this from the skin and cut it into the edible chunks. You also need carrots, and as you see, it's grated already, but you can also chop it. I used 1.5, or you could use 2 white onions or yellow onions, also finely chopped, garlic, 2 cans of coconut milk. You can also use coconut cream and just mix it with water. Avocado oil, I really like avocado oil for cooking. Salt, and then I have here 1.5 Myers lemons, but you can also use lime. And then you have several spices here. You're welcome to use anything you like. I'm gonna use a curry sauce, curry spices today. I'm gonna use cumin, ground cumin, coriander, and paprika. You can also add turmeric and black pepper will also work nicely here. So what you start, how you start cooking is you put, and I'm gonna use this pot. You know, it's really good for sauteing and frying. So I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado oil here. And the first ingredient I'm gonna add, once the oil becomes a little bit hotter, I'm gonna use chopped onion. And I'm gonna saute it until it's kind of golden brown. So as you can see, I'm adding this to my pot, and this is the pot that I'm gonna use for my stew today. So all the ingredients that you're gonna add will be here. So 2 minutes have passed, and as you see, your onions is getting a little bit caramelized, and now it's a really good time to add garlic here. Okay, and you're just mixing it with onions so that all the aromas from the garlic are mixed with the oil and with onions. And in about 30 seconds or so, you can now add also carrots, grated carrots. And I like grated carrots in this soup because carrots will add some sweetness. And later on, when we will be adding lemon there, so there will be like a nice bouquet of both sweet and sour tastes. And then you keep basically mixing so that you have both onions and carrots evenly golden brown. Okay, just keep it like that for about 3-4 minutes. And now that's the right time to add our spices. So as I said, we're gonna add some spices here. I'm gonna add ground cumin here, okay? And just maybe half a teaspoon. The main thing is not to overdo here. Coriander, okay? Curry, Smells so nice. And right away all your kitchen will be infused with these smells. I'm also gonna add a little bit of paprika for color, and then salt and pepper. You can always add a little bit more salt later, okay? But initially I'm gonna add some, and also some black pepper, okay? And then the main thing after that is this mix it is with carrots and onions and oil, so that all these aromas mix and infuse the vegetables. Okay, as you see, your onions are getting more caramelized and they're turning golden brown. In about 1 or 2 minutes we can already add fish, okay, and then also add coconut milk at that stage. I'm gonna add fish now. As I say, I have here 3 packs of Norwegian steel trout, but as I said, you can use any fish for the stew. The main thing is that you cut them in those chunks, okay, and then you evenly spread this across the pot, okay. Just be careful with the fish so not to destroy the pieces. Okay. Just give it maybe a minute. Just mix it all together with carrots and onions. Be careful to preserve the pieces of fish. And at this stage, you can add coconut milk. So you can get any coconut milk. I got one from Vietnam, okay? And I think for that amount of fish, I would need 2 cans of coconut milk. So when you are adding coconut milk, you have to mix this like this, and then pour this over the fish, just to try to spread evenly, okay, over the entire pan. And I'm gonna add the second can as well. Now once you have added coconut milk, just make sure that your fish is evenly spread across the pan, okay? But at the same time, preserve the integrity of the pieces. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this mixture, maybe like 1/3 of a cup or 1/2 a cup, just to make this not as thick, okay? But it's up to you. If you like it thicker, you don't need to add the water, but I like to add a little bit water, maybe like 1/3 of the cup is sufficient, okay? So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a lid on your stew, and you're gonna saute this for about 15 minutes, okay? So about 5-7 minutes have passed, and I'm gonna add some lemon juice here, freshly squeezed lemon, and I also added a little bit of lemon zest here. This is our own Myers lemons, which are very sweet and juicy, but you could also add regular lemon or even lime, okay? And this will be nice, nice contrast with the carrots that add sweetness. So I'm gonna add this, add lemon juice, and I'm gonna just mix it a little bit, okay? And I will probably keep it for another maybe a few minutes on the stove, okay? But as you see already, the fish is almost cooked. It doesn't take long to cook the fish, but I want to keep it a little bit longer so that it's infused with all these flavors. And I also have added 1 bay leaf to the stew like this, 1 big bay leaf, and obviously you're not eating it, but you are adding some flavor. So our fish is ready, as you see, it's fully ready. And how I'm gonna serve this, I'm gonna put it on the plate. I suggest that the best side for this dish is rice. So this is a regular white rice, but you can use basmati rice, jasmine rice, brown rice, wild rice, any rice you want. So just put it on the plate. And then I suggest that you put the fish stew on top of your rice, and rice is a good neutral side that will just absorb all the flavors, okay? So you just put the fish on top of your rice like this, okay? And then you pour some of the sauce like this because it's very flavorful. And then you can decorate this with a little bit of herbs. I'm using dill here. You can use also parsley, cilantro, anything you want. I think it's a very flavorful dish, but of course I'm gonna try this now. So let's see. Really good. So not too spicy, but at the same time you can feel coriander and curry and lemon and coconut, of course. Very flavorful, very light. Really great dish that you can serve for dinner, or you can serve when the guests are coming. It's very flavorful. So I hope that you will enjoy this recipe. If you like this video, please support me with a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Pacifica, Half Moon Bay, Bay Area and beyond.